Centrifuges have been used for many years to separate mixtures with components of different densities. Here you see cream being separated from milk. They can be relatively small, like the ones that fit on your benchtop in the lab, or something larger, like this one, the size of a washing machine. Solemn is going to help us demonstrate the use of a centrifuge. In the chemistry laboratory, a centrifuge is used to quickly separate a precipitate from the supernatant solution. Here, Solemn is producing a precipitate upon the reaction between these two solutions. How is he going to separate it? The centrifuge that you will use will likely have some sort of cover on the top. We'll omit the cover for this example. The key to properly loading your centrifuge is to have it balanced. Be sure to load your tubes in pairs where each tube has a partner directly across from each other with approximately the same volume of solution in it. Once you have the centrifuge loaded, go ahead and start it up. The length of time and the speed that you run the centrifuge will depend upon the mixture being separated. You will get a feel for this as you progress in the lab. Good show! The centrifuge has collected the precipitate in the bottom of the tube. Why is Solemn happy? Because now he can quickly pour off the supernatant solution and separate the solid from the solution. Ever wonder what will happen if you don't balance your centrifuge? To save you the heartache and shame of having your centrifuge run right off the lab bench, we've taken the time to give you a preview. Just in case something goes sideways, we'll put the lid on this time. There she goes, walking right off the end of the bench. Thanks, Solemn.